Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keep your games that you want to play on the home screen on your Xbox One so you can easily find it. So I like playing Rocket League. Now to keep this on your home screen, press the button with the 3 lines on it when you're over the application on the home screen here. Now there is an option to add to home right here. Just select this with A. Now it's going to stay on the home screen. So Rocket League has been added to the home screen. Now we can easily find it and it won't rotate off the home screen over there. So you can do this with multiple games as well. Now you can also add them to a specific group. So let's add my favorite games to the same group. So let's go to Rocket League and go to add to a group. And then I'm going to create a new group. So let's just call this FPS for first person shooters or something like that. Or my favorite games just in general. So let's press the button with the 3 lines on it. So that's been added. Then let's go to add to group over Halo Infinite. And then go to FPS. Now to find these games under the group, press the Xbox button. Then go to My Games and Apps. Then here is the specific group, FPS. Now I can see Rocket League and Halo Infinite. So it could be a little bit easier just to find them via that way. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.